Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I will talk about the handbrake. Let you to see the handbrake, how to use it. The handbrake, a lot of people or all the people, most of them they use the handbrake like this. No, you hear the sound. You hear the sound. No. You must to pull handbrake, press the button, pull handbrake nicely. Why we don't put it like this before, first time? Because the teeth of the handbrake, it will go, the teeth. The teeth will go. I want my car to stay for long life. So I don't pull it. I put handbrake down. I want to put handbrake down. I put my leg on the brake. I pull up. I pull up and I press. I pull and I press and I put handbrake down. When I stop, especially in the hills, I put handbrake up. Then I select the gear to the parking. I hope the video is clear. Repeat it until you understood. Take care, guys. Goodbye.